Hey, good morning everyone. We are here in Lee, Massachusetts on the Appalachian Trail. We're going to do the Jacob's Ladder Trail this morning. And so we're going to show you all the highlights that are out here. So here we go. Okay, another stream crossing here. Pretty easy. Got some rocks right there. The camera right now is straight and level, but we are going up to the top, the last push to the top. Okay, we made it on the top of Beckett Mountain on the Appalachian Trail in Massachusetts. Not really a view from up here, but there definitely, I believe, used to be a fire tower because we got some footings right here. But we're heading off to another mountaintop, and I don't think there's a view there either, but great hiking anyways in the fall weather here, the leaves changing. We are walking around a ridge line here. Not really a whole lot of views. Pretty even, pretty level. But we're still at the top of the ridge line over here in Massachusetts on the Appalachian Trail. Okay, we are on the top of Walling Mountain now. Still no real views, but a nice walk with all the trees, all the leaves changing colors now. Okay, we are walking down the Finnerty Trail. It's nothing but an old dirt road, but all the dirt's been washed away, so it's really just old rocks. Definitely something to watch out for ankles and stuff like that, so take your time walking down this Finnerty Trail if you take it back. Okay, we're still on the Finnerty Trail walking back towards the car. Didn't really have a whole bunch of views on the Appalachian Trail up through to the mountains that we climbed. But we do have a little bit of a view over here, even though it does have the power lines in the way. But if you're into this type of stuff, if you like this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. And we will see you again next time.